crowded world of horror entertainment, one series has emerged as a game changer. Bhe, the Gaurav Tiwari mystery on Amazon Prime is shaking up the paranormal genre that not just with the scars but with a story rooted in reality. The series traces with extraordinary life of Gaurav Tiwari, a young man who once tried to be a pilot, but unexplained incidents changed his destiny forever. Drawn to the unknown, he studied the science of paranormal in the UK and returned to India to establish the Indian Paranormal Society. Against resistance, and Gaurav became the country's pioneer in the paranormal investigation. What makes Bay unique in its fusion of biography and supernatural drama. It doesn't just rely on jump scares. It dives into Gaurav's real investigation, his encounter with unexplained phenomena, and the array its circumstances surrounding his mysterious death in 2016. A journalist character in the series unravels his legacy, blurring in lane between reality and the supernatural. Starring Karan Thakur, Kalki Koilin, Danish Sood, and Saloni Batra, the series delivers gripping performances that elevate the tension. The cinematography captures India's haunted landscape while the background score intensifies the dread, making viewers question what is real and what is imagined. With an IMDb rating of 8.3, Bay has already earned critical acclaim. It is not just another horror show, it's a culture movement. By spotlighting India's most famous paranormal investigator, the series has given horror fans a story that feels authentic, relatable, and terrifyingly close to home. Bay, the Gaurav Tiwari mystery is more than entertainment, it's a haunting reminder of how truth can be stranger than fiction. As audiences binge watch the series, one thing becomes clear: Indians' horror has found its new benchmark and it carries the name of Gaurav Tiwari.